Hello my lovelies, how you all doing? I hope you're keeping well and staying crafty. Right, I'm coming on with day 9 of the DIY 2024 challenge. I'll leave the link in the description box. This month's soon flown by, and then we've got it's all of June and all of July. So yeah, looking forward to the rest of it. Right, so today's prompt was sepia. And I have used an image again from this beautiful book that a lovely Trudy sent me. Thank you, Trudy, from this page. Now, I've got a confession, Trudy, if you're watching. I've had a little bit of a mishap. We've had a bit of a beheading going on and an amputation. I'd got 2 pages. I was snipping away, got 2 pages stuck together, look. So we've got an arm cut off there and a head cut off there. So when I'm still going to use them at some point. I think if I stick those on the back, a piece of sellotape or something on the back of that, it should be all right. But it did make, I was annoyed, but it did make me chuckle. I cut her straight across the face. But anyway, I used the image that was there, and then you've got all the beautiful paper on the back. Love it, love this. And this is what I've made. So for the background, I've used one of my Painty papers again. It's not put a backing card on, it was actually on an old photograph. It's a lovely paper for using alcohol inks on. And this would have been when I'd got a little round sponge and dabbed on with alcohol ink in different colours, and it was the most fitting one for this. I kind of wanted to make another one, but I'm like, no, you've got heaps of Painty paper. Just use one that you've already got. So that's what I've gone with, and I love it. And I've been dying to be able to use one of these images again, and I think we're going to have a little series of My Name Is. And because I looked it up, looked sepia up, I know it's a brownie colour, shades of brown, but I didn't realise that the sepia, it is actually like an ink in cuttlefish, and the cuttlefish have got little sacs in their gills or something, and when they feel under threat they squirt this ink out, and that it's called sepia. But sepia is also a girl's name, apparently. So we learn something new every day, don't we? Yes, so I just got some pieces of the other paper put across the bottom, pretty much like I did the other one when I did crystal. Little bit at the top, just went round the edge with vintage photo, and I did go fussy cut there because there's like the white borders on, but I cut that off, and then just went in between the arms and the legs there with my little craft knife to cut those white pieces out. Oh, and I think she's beautiful. I love that. So that is sepia. My name is Sepia. Oh, my scrawky writing again. But I'm learning to live with it, so okay then, well, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I will speak to you, I would imagine, tomorrow, if I get tomorrow's one done. I haven't even thought about it yet. This next lot of prompts, there's one that I've got sort of, I know what I'm doing, but the rest of them I don't know yet, but it's all good fun. I'm not letting it worry me, because if I can't think of anything, I'll just go off prompt. Okay, take care, thanks for watching, have a lovely weekend, and I'll speak to you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.